And welcome to the Knoxville Raceway, sprint car capital of the world. A beautiful Saturday night here in Knoxville, Iowa, and we are set to go with a big night of racing.
Welcome back to Tmeztv. Made it to the track, and they just blew the horn for the drivers' meeting. So I thought this is a good time to turn on the camera. Yeah, down here at Knoxville, pretty much my Saturday gig. So almost every Saturday we're here at Knoxville, unless they don't have a 360 race, which isn't very often. So I took a trick out of the RC car book, and if your RC car's not fast, you ask a homie, see what springs he's running. Went over to these guys and was like, what bump stop does everybody buy? This is what they buy. So I'm just gonna recommend this to the guys. I don't really know. Well, we got it all fired off, and now we wait. So the sprint car probably makes 750 horsepower, and we run 120, 130 mile an hour here. Look what I finally got. Finally got some shirts. We'll get them online this week. And I haven't had any shirt money this year because Madeline hasn't went to the track.
Next out from San Jose, California, driving the Smiley Lifting Solutions, Mesilla Valley Transportation, Spider Crane, Up Front Sign, Smith Titanium, Shaver Engines, Tmeztv. This is the 01 of Thomas Meserol. Tmez off turn number 4. First lap time across the board for Meserol is 10th quick, 16.726, 16726. Meserol's second lap time is better, 9th quick, 16.620, a 16620. Thomas Meserol final lap time is slower, 16.951. He'll take 9th quick for now.
Just got done with qualifying. Car felt really nice. It's so difficult to hit your marks in 3 and 4 because the sun is just blinding. We had the thing taped up a bunch, so much that I actually had to like duck below to see it. Hi Bernie. Good. See the sun there? It's brutal. It looks like they're calling for heat races. I better get in the car.
Corey Eliason brings him down to the stripe in turn number 4. Tony Ross to his outside, green flag waves. Into turn number 2. Eliason will lead the field down the back straightaway. Thomas Meserol up into the runner-up spot. Tony Ross trying to hang on to 3rd, but here comes Matt Covington. Covington in car number 95 closing in on Tony Ross. 2 cars back in the pack, way up in the junk as they make it through 3 and 4. Everybody stays green. Ryan Giles down to the inside of Covington off of turn number 2. That's the battle for the 4th spot as they work into turn number 3. Tony Ross in that 3rd spot, making a run now on Thomas Meserol down the front straightaway, down to the inside. The doctor takes a look. He'll take 2nd in turn number 2. Tony Ross puts the nice move on Thomas Meserol to take the 2nd spot down the back straightaway and sets his sights on your leader. Corey Eliason continuing to lead off at turn number 4 in car number 64. Tony Ross running in the 2nd spot. Thomas Meserol racing 3rd.
Just got done with the heat race. I feel like we're making progress. It's interesting because we were way late left, and I felt like we were pretty good there, but I also, in the middle of the corner, like I was having to kind of force the thing in, so I don't know if I was a little tight or not. been playing with the bump stop gap. The bump stop is huge, and I don't know a ton about it. Well, we are making a gear change, and Alan is going over the notes. We want to make good calls. We're actually starting 10th tonight, so that's good. I told Alan, I said, well, I better go put some tear-offs on. He was asking me about stagger, because we were potentially a little tight. So do we want to kill stagger? Do we want to leave it? The track's going away, the track's slowing down, the wing speed's getting down. Decisions. And right now is the time to make the good calls. That way we're fast on the track. I feel like we're getting faster every night, and honestly, like, have a lot better attitude about it. It's been tough. I've been driving a lot, and it's been wearing me out, but I feel good today. I feel comfortable in the car, and really can't thank everybody that makes this possible. Smiley Crane guys, Upfront Signs, Alan and Kayleen Verveal, Shaver Motors, Witt's RC Racing, they helped me out, and Tim, and you guys back home. So, gonna go see what he's doing. We're gonna make all the changes. Got the cameras on and charged. It's time to go racing. I got hammered by dirty air, and watch this. I get free, and then he cuts across me, and I lose air right there because the car cut across. And I should have been covering the brakes harder, or I'm not exactly sure what, but wing speed is so important. If the thing is not laid left, it is not in the track. And we missed the bottom there, but I get a pretty good run off the backside of it. There's an art to just hitting the bottom. You almost can't open your entry up very much, or you miss it. I'm ready for it this time. I was ahead of that one. I seen it coming, but on the first try, I was so buried into the curve. Hey, appreciate you guys watching Tmeztv. We are headed back to Knoxville this weekend. We've been talking to friends, trying to figure out where we missed. I think we might have got ourselves too tight on the bump stop, or just stagger alone. When I'm by myself, I could actually run decent laps because you have all the air to load the wing. You can see I kind of missed the bottom there, but I wasn't quite free enough to roll it in that tight. Knoxville is all about momentum, and we're a little too tight to run the bottom, so I'm trying to just keep wing speed so I can run the top. Man, this place is so tough. Even when it gets slick, it never slows down. And, man, I'm just not that good in the dirty air. On both the starts, I kind of jumped the curb. So that's my fault. I know. I thought I had it calmed down. Well, the curb ate me up tonight.
Crowd's already
I'm not
working
sure
their way
what
down
happened.
here
Brownie won
afterwards,
again.
and,
Good job.
Brian,
Tim's was on it.
Just came up short.
Hey, this place
Yeah, I
is
was watching the
so
board a little bit there
tough.
another way through, and I could see
So tough. Got the car too tight. Jumped cushion, trying too hard. You'll have that here at Knoxville, is what I'm told. Some nights, rolling it in the box is a win. I feel like tonight is one of those nights.